the agenda for this week. Also, in other news, I've decided I don't ever want to be a news reporter. Anyways, basically what I want to do is give you guys all the assignments that you guys are going to be doing this week. And I want to let you know how they're supposed to work and what they look like and what my expectations are for you guys. So, generally speaking, you're going to get all 4 assignments at noon on Monday, and you will have all week to work on them. They'll be due at 5 p.m. on Friday, March 27th. I suggest that you do those assignments in the order that I've listed on Google Classwork, not on the stream, and that you only work max an hour a day on this. That's it. If you're working over an hour, email us and let us know, because that's too much work and nobody wants to do that. Anyways, stay tuned for the next lessons. All right, lesson number 1, guys. This lesson should look very familiar because you got it at the end of last week, and it's the depression and recession reflection. We've had to modify it or alter it a little bit because you guys don't have the posters originally that we were going to use. So I've had to change some things around, but it's fine. I promise it's not anything crazy. The first thing that's different is that you guys are going to have to write 500 words, which I know at first sounds awful and like, Miss Leonard, you suck and we hate you, but it's really only 2.5 pages, guys, double spaced, and size 12 font. So I think it's okay. You guys can handle it. And I want you guys to write it in the document that has the rubric in it. So when you go to check how many words you've written so far, you're going to highlight your writing, not your header, just your writing. And you're going to go to tools, and then under that, it should say word count, and that'll let you know how far you are. The next thing that you guys are going to do is you are also going to be writing a new paragraph on the similarities and differences between the Great Recession and the Depression. And this is to make up for the fact that most of you guys didn't get a chance to finish the backside of your poster where you would have done the comparing and contrasting. So I need you guys to do this in writing format, which is really fun. And you guys can just follow the rubric, and it has a beautiful checklist that you guys can go through and make sure you have everything you need to get full credit. I also want you guys to know that you can email rough drafts to Miss Anders or myself on Wednesday, by Wednesday at the latest, and we can give you some edits or comments so you guys make sure that you have everything you need. All right, on to lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, it is women in the workplace. So it would have been cooler if it was 3, but that's fine. We're just going to ignore that for right now. Anyways, this document and this assignment is like the other 2 that you're going to get for the rest of the week. This one's a little bit longer, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to open up the document that I have in Google Classroom. You're going to follow the links and just answer the questions. It's that quick, hopefully, and simple. It's a 10-point assignment, and you have a little tiny reflection at the end that's only 75 words. Most of it is just questions that ask you to synthesize the information that I've given you, meaning you're taking what I've given you, thinking about it, processing it, and turning it into your own words, or comparing it, or I guess trying to make it make sense in your world. That's what synthesizing is, and that's how I have to grade you on it. Anyways, the Women in the Workplace assignment is a website scavenger hunt that takes you through what it would be like as a woman in World War II during the 1950s, and then all the way up to present day. So you're just going to go through that website, follow the links, and answer the questions. Then there's also another article called The Invisible Labor Force, which, spoiler alert, is also about women. And you're just going to read that, answer the questions again, and then write the reflection. That's all it is. If you have any questions or you need help decoding it, email us and let us know. Again, just work through that website and take your time with it. All right, on to lesson 3. All right, lesson number 3. Same thing that you're going to do with the last one. You're going to open up the Google document. You're going to watch 2 videos, and then you're also going to skim, not read, skim an article and then answer the questions in the document. So the first video you guys are actually going to watch is a primary source. It was filmed, I think it was 1957. Super crazy. Definitely watch the whole thing. And then the next video is a modern take on it. It's kind of funny. And then the article just gives you more information. The answers that you guys are going to be providing should be like 5 to 6, 3 to 5 sentences, somewhere in there, a short paragraph. So I really make sure that you guys understand what you're talking about. Again, it's like showing your work in math. And that's really it for that one. On to, oh, wait, hold on. Sorry. It's a 5-point assignment. And it should only take you a half an hour to 45 minutes. If it takes more than 45 minutes or you need help decoding any of the information in the article, please email us and let us know. Anyways, on to lesson 4. All right, lesson number 4. Same thing again, open the Google document. You're going to have links in there. One of them is to an NPR graph that shows union membership. The next link in there is to a History Channel. Sorry, I think my dog is crying in the background. It's totally fine. He's just being needy. Anyways, the next thing is to a History Channel article, and it also has a video in there. So watch the video at the top of the page, then read the article, and just answer the questions. Again, this is another 5-point assignment. This one should take you 20 minutes to 35 minutes. Again, if it takes longer than that, email us, let us know, and we'll help you decode it. So the last thing we got to talk about is the study guide. So normally it's a little weird to give you guys assessments via the interweb while you're at home, but it's fine. We'll figure it out. I'm going to give you guys the study guide this week. It'll be posted at the same time as everything else. You guys can work through that at your own pace. What I highly suggest you do is that you try to answer all the questions in there before you look at your notes so you can figure out where your strong suits are and where you need to focus a little bit more. These are the exact same questions that are going to be on the quiz. It's going to be 25 questions, 1 point for every question. They're going to be fill in the blank, short answer, or a short essay question. I think you guys are all more than capable of doing it. Plus, we're doing it with Google Forms, so that has the originality reports and the screen lock. So we honestly should be golden. It should be fine. What I want you guys to just keep an eye out for is at some point on Wednesday, I'll be trying to figure out when would be a good time for you guys to do kind of a review session together, either with Zoom or Google Hangout, so I can help you if you guys have any questions. I'll also try to make a frequently asked questions sheet that I'll post late Friday night or maybe Saturday morning if I'm ambitious. Other than that, that's everything you guys have to do this week, and good luck. If you have any questions, please email us. It's okay. This is crazy for all of us. It's totally new. We'll get through it together. So have fun, guys, and hope you do some learning.